Yeah, this is a case of Bartholin cyst. Good evening, everyone. Sorry. Good evening, everyone. And I just want to share a case with you. This is a case of Bartholin abscess. It's an infected cyst, and it was taken in April 2019. So I just want to tell what is a Bartholin cyst first. So these are the glands that are located on each side of the vaginal opening, and these glands secrete a fluid that helps and lubricate the vagina. Sometimes the openings of these glands becomes obstructed, causing fluid to back up into the gland, and the result is very painful with the discharge forming an Bartholin abscess. So this lady, she is a newly married lady, and she's a 27-year-old newly married lady working as a software engineer in an IT company. And she approached me for the treatment of this Bartholin abscess because she had undergone through a lot of surgeries and drainage of this abscess through anesthesia also. And her chief complaint is severe pricking pain with burning in left labia since 1 year, and she had undergone surgical procedures multiple times to drain the cyst that was infected. So when she entered the first time, my observation is that she is very mild and she was looking very gentle and very docile, and she was leaning towards me on the table. So she was very eager like that. And my interaction with the patient, it went for 2 hours, this session. So the question first I put on her was, what is the effect of this problem on you? And immediately she said the intimacy between the couple was impacting a lot because they were newly married. And two more things, two major issues that were bothering her were the husband's anger, and there is a kind of restriction she was telling. These are the two issues which was bothering her a lot. And I asked her about the husband's anger, describe the anger. Then she told that her husband is very short-tempered. She shouts and bangs his head to wall, and she'll make a small issues look into very big. So even in her in-laws house also, there is no peaceful environment, always some kind of negativity. And there will be always, they don't fight, but they will always shout at each other, always some kind of negative energy in the house. So so then I asked her what is her experience in that situation. Then she said one thing, like, where did I come from? A question mark. So she said, like, I came sorry, there was a spelling mistake. She said, I came from a very silent family, and from such a silent family, I came into a violent family. So this is her experience in that, with an expression and hand gesture. Then I asked her about the restriction. Then she said she wants to have an independent life. What is that independent life? That is, she doesn't want to stay with her in-laws. Her in-laws are good, but still there was a negative atmosphere. She doesn't want to stay with her in-laws, and she wants to go out of the house and have an independent life. Hello? But no one is stopping her. Even her husband is also ready to move with her. And in-laws were also not against to that. But still, she herself is restricting. Then I asked her, what is that restricting her? What is the experience in that situation? She said, there is always a confusion within myself that I don't want to separate a son from parents. So that is the reason I don't want to take him out from the parents and go separately. So this is her experience. So that is the conflict always happening with her. And she wants to please everyone. But she herself feels hurt in that process. Means she doesn't want to hurt anyone. She tries to please everyone. In that process, she hurts herself. Means like she can't say no to anyone, she can't hurt anyone, and that is her main problem. So this is her experience in that restriction. Then deep probing, I asked her about her dreams. She said like she has this snakes chasing her and someone is pursuing her, chasing her, but she has no strength to run. And someone is she was trying to hit someone, and there is no, hit someone hard, but there is no strength to. So with all these hand gestures, she showed these things, like she was telling about strength. So her fears, like maybe because of husband, I and my kids also will become violent like husband, which I don't want. And I have a very bad fear of, she had very bad fear of snakes. Then some generalities when I have taken, she has a lot of heat in the body and eyes, which she mentioned several times in the case. She said like a lot of heat she'll feel, even in the night, midnight she'll get up, drink water. She has to drink a lot of water frequently, and also coconut water. If she doesn't drink, then she will get burning in the eyes. And also body, she always feel heat in the body. And this heat in the body aggravates before menses. And she has some kind of allergy of metals. And her complaints are always open or better by open air. And during anger, I probed about her anger, and she said she'll become very silent and she'll be alone better by crying. She feels better by sharing and talking with others. See, by conversing, she said she feels very much better. And in the delusion part, she feels that she is alone in the world, that no one is there for me. So there is always silent grief. So my analysis in this case is like there is a me versus you, and a weak versus strength, and drinking lot of water. I mean like heat in the body. So these things I have taken into consideration and came to animal kingdom. So also there is a conflict in herself, and she doesn't want to separate son from parents, which is a mammalian theme, because there it shows the maternal instinct. So that is the reason I came to the conclusion of mammals. And in the Google search, I searched for the animal which consumes lot of water, and it came cow. So, and there are a lot of lack themes like dreams of snakes, and there are swollen breasts before menses, and she had a lot of desire for milk and milk products. So few of these things, it lead to lack theme. And so I have given her lac defloratum 200 until 1M I went. But I have in the beginning, this was in April. So in the beginning, I just gave her Pulstella, and I have no idea about that till I went to Swara. And first time my Swara visit, Swara Gurukul visit. And in May I went. So after coming from there, I attended this LAC seminar in Salem. And after that, I think I studied properly about the case. And then I came to this LAC defloratum 200, and I gave it in August month. And by November, within 4 months, she was completely cured of this Bartholin abscess. And can I add an audio clip? Is it okay if time permits?
Ma'am, we have very less time. So if you can just verbally tell briefly.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So she just sent me audio clip saying thanks to me, like she was completely got rid of that Bartholin abscess. And till now, after it's been 9 months, and she didn't get the abscess at all. And one more thing is that immediately after this medication, mentally she was very good, and she moved out of that house from her in-laws, and she's staying separately and happily with her husband. So this is the thing. And I want to tell, like she bought me like 5 more cases of Bartholin abscess, in the Bangalore itself, actually 10 more people were in line, it seems. She is the one who is recommending me for this Bartholin abscess. And because of this lockdown, I couldn't see all those cases, but 3 cases were already in with me, and they're doing very good. So I don't know, I don't have any idea about this Bartholin abscess in before, but now I had very good grip on this. So hopefully everything will be fine. And thank you very much. This is mainly, I thank Holswara team for this, for giving me this platform and opportunity, and especially Sir, I can't express my gratitude to him. There are no words also to tell. See, from my weakness to strength and from nothing to something, the knowledge that Sir has imparted to me, it has been a great asset for me. So I thank you very much, Sir. And also one more thing is, like, I want to thank Srikanth Sir also. Because of him only, I was able to, because of his encouragement and because of his support, I was able to present this case. So he is also a very great inspiration for me. And there are no words to, show to gratitude towards Sir, Shekhar Sir. He is, your mentorship is an invaluable gift for me, Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It was excellent.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am.
Excellent.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. Yeah. Thank you, Priyanka ma'am and Divya ma'am, for all your support. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you very much. Ma'am, you have to. So this is a case of skin eruptions of a female girl, 13-year-old. So when she visited on the day of consultation, this was the condition. Dark blackish colored eruptions with severe itching on the lower abdomen, inner thighs, on buttocks, itching, severe, mostly at night. So in patient's language, this was a history. So she started the case like this. My name is so-and-so, and I'm 13 years old, and I have 2 younger sisters, and my favorite color is red. I like drawing, I like dancing, I like partying with my friends and adventure. My dream is to go to Goa with my friends and enjoy there. When I will pass 10th class, my wish is to open my own dancing and drawing classes in my own home itself. I want to support my parents by earning money so that my younger sisters can get good education. See the maturity of 13-year-old girl, because we are now seeing the complete universe through her eyes. So we have to see that what is the life according to her and not just consider the age of the patient. So only with good education you can get a good job and you can care for your family. So meanwhile, there are many other questions, but to brief a case for the presentation. So this was the next question asked, what way? So I want to earn and get a good house, will give money for education, clothes, good food, so that no loans will be there. And currently my Nani is having a lot of loan on her, and I want to help her to pay that loan. I like to help people, especially poor people. We are also poor, she's telling. So I can understand what they must be going through. So as always, Sir tells, when the person is ready to go to third party, why not? What way they must be going through? No money, so no education. Their kids will only see other kids wearing good clothes and going to school, and they must be feeling bad. They also have a lot of talent, the poor kids. There are some rich people who help poor people to get education. I also want to do the same way. When I start earning, I want to help the poor people. So up till now, what we can see is she herself in the same condition, and her imagination is also the same. That in future, I want to help poor people. And in reality, they are poor and expecting some help from the other people. What they must be going through? They can't do anything. They are helpless. They need some help to come out of this situation, the poor people, in her imagination. So what sort of help? Money, basically. With that, they can look after their family, their children, and their children's education. Then the next area. Meanwhile, there were another incidences happening, but to brief, the next area. What are your fears, darkness, and ghost? My friends used to make me frightened by putting powder on their faces and doing ghost type of makeup. So whenever they used to do like this, I used to go to my mother and she used to give me confidence. How? She will make me understand nothing like this exists. So don't worry. You'll be fine. She cares for me. She loves me. If anything happens at the school or tuition, I go to her, I talk to her, and she is the solution for all my problems. Problems like if anybody, any boy is troubling me, or any friend is fighting with me, or I need any help in my homework, especially she points to the maths. What way? By boosting my confidence, because we want to know what way the mother is helping. By boosting my confidence, you can do it. We are so proud of you. You are a clever girl. You have to study hard. So this is for her is a help from mother, not literally, solving her homework and all. So actually, then she further tells, actually my mother is also less educated. She just seventh standard pass. But she understands me well. So here the situation is clear. She do not want it actually to solve that sums in the maths, but she needs only that confidence that you can do well. These words of mother give her the confidence. Once she gives the confidence, then I don't fear anything. So one day I also did makeup like ghost. After her mother, giving that confidence to her, she also did the makeup like ghost. And she took the candle and she pranked all her friends. And they were all surprised. But I loved my friends. I have many friends at school, in tuition, in society, on Instagram, on TikTok. They love me. So she's full of friends. I also love them. So I asked her, what's a friend? Because in her story, there was friend. From start to end, it was all about friend and the mother, who helps you when you are in need. Like my friend helped me in studies, or if if I'm not well, then they will be by my side. They will ask, how are you? One of my friends even paid my fees for my picnic as I was not having money. Then the next area. What are your hobbies? I love to travel. My dream is to go to Goa once again and other places with my friends and enjoy. I want to know how people are at different places, what they eat, how they live. I also like to grow my nails, but they don't grow properly. I also like to chat on Instagram, make TikTok videos, but my mother don't allow me to do that. And I get very angry on her. I feel they love only to the other two siblings and not to me. For me, only work and study. So I have this fear about accidents also. And to hear any bad news, I feel if anything happens to anybody's husband, then what will the wife will do? How will she manage the home and the children and their education and their fees? So someone elder should be there to help in all these issues. Her food likings were sweets, paneer, palak paneer, chocolate, and potato. Potato bhaji, potato fries, anything, all sorts of potato things. And then parents' observation was she is very poor in studies, but ahead in the socialization. In TikTok, in Instagram, everywhere. She have a bundle of friends. But in studies, she's very poor. She cannot recollect things, cannot concentrate in studies. But she's very good in art, drawing, painting, dancing. She's very angry and stubborn at home, but mingles very well with her friends. She's jealous of her siblings and very close to her mother, shares everything with her mother. So this was my understanding of the case. Areas of concern for this girl was money, education, help in the studies, and need some elder in these areas to give the confidence when needed. At the time of crisis, to resort back to mother to get that confidence that you can do it, girl. And on other side, she's very friendly, very communicative. She loves adventure. She loves to travel, explore. She's very artistic, sympathetic, helpful. And so, none other than row 4, column 2 element, and row 3, column 15, where she's developed in row 3 in communication identity area. So I gave her Calcarea first 200. So this was the first follow-up. In that follow-up, itching was 20% better and the eruptions were fading from the borders. So I repeated one more dose of 200. This is the third follow-up. Eruptions furthermore faded. Itching was 50% better. Skin was also becoming smooth. So I waited. Only SL. Then this is the fourth follow-up. You can see the eruptions are still more, completely now mingling with the normal skin. Itching was 90% gone. So I still waited. Only on SL. And this is the latest one before the lockdown could happen. So there were no itching and eruptions also were gone. So I only kept her on SL. She's still under observation without SL also. But as she couldn't come directly in person to clinic, I couldn't click the pictures. So thank you all of you and good night, Shubharatri.